Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you a Japanese gauge cluster from a S13 180SX SR20det vehicle, a SR20det 180SX 1991 S13 1991 vehicle. This is the LCD type with the heads-up display. You can see the LCD there, and with the heads-up display unit, you can see here. If we bring down the zoom a little bit, there we go, with the heads-up display, which of course reflects in the windshield. So the LCD there, and we'll go back to that original shot. So from a automatic vehicle, automatic 180SX, the cluster can be used with a 5-speed vehicle, of course, as well. Just the overdrive light will not have any function, so this is the overdrive light there. It can be used in both the Gosoku, the 5-speed, and the automatic vehicle. The LCD here in great condition, although it looks like there's a mark on there. That's just an artifact from our photo, actually a reflection in the back. You'll notice as we go through some further photos that the mark actually moves around. So something we have behind us is reflecting in the LCD there. But the speed meter in the cluster is a digital speed meter, big green letters on the front there. And when it's powered up, close up here, as you can see, the mark on the LCD has moved. So the LCD there in good condition. The cluster itself has traveled 137,422 kilometers, but in great condition, great working order, as you can see, very tidy. The right side, again, very tidy, very clean, 100% working order, and can be used with both the automatic and the manual vehicle. The complete unit here with the heads-up display. Of course, the heads-up display reflects in the windshield, a little bit of reflective tape put on the window, and this, of course, produces a mirror image of the speed, which shines into that tape, giving you that infinity focus speed reading on the windshield. Makes it much easier to see, avoids the looking up and down, of course, which involves the refocusing of the eyes. So having this at infinity, very relaxing and great for racing purposes. So the Japanese 180SX stock cluster, the stock digital cluster with the heads-up display, and we have some further photos of the heads-up display. You can see the heads-up display there. That's the mirror image. You can see all the LCD there, 188, so reads up to a maximum of 188 kilometers per hour, or I guess 199 kilometers per hour if these are not expanded, so up to 200 kilometers per hour. And back of the unit there, the harness, with the harness plugs into the back of the cluster here. So the unit, bring down the zoom again here. Okay, so the heads-up display plugs directly into the back of the loom there, which then plugs into the back of the cluster, the gauge cluster, in 100% working order with the harness and everything included. The heads-up digital 180SX display from Japan, made in Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.